Morning children, are you ready? Shall we start the revision and let us prepare for the examination? Okay, now today we will go for lesson number 3, animals and their young ones. First, open your textbook, page number 204. Read the lesson first. Full, complete lesson you read twice, thrice. Because sometimes it may come from the question also from the middle of the lesson, and for the choose the correct answer, and for fill in the blanks, true or false, or anything, even for the diagram also, different diagrams also you may get it from them. For that purpose you need to read the full lesson and all the question answers, and see the diagram also. Observe the diagram, all the pictures, see that, and then slowly turn the page number 206. See the picture of internal structure of an egg. The structure of an egg. Read this and try to draw the diagram of this egg and label its parts also. Then go for the life cycle of a frog. See how it is drawn. Try to draw the diagrams of the life cycle of a frog and the butterfly also. It's very easy, and then all the diagrams you need to draw. It's very important. And turn the page number 208. Observe the pictures. Shall we go for question and answers? Reading the question and answers. Yes. Question number 1. What is reproduction? The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Remember this? The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to their young ones. Then second question, why must living things reproduce? Living things do not live forever. They die after completing their lifespan, but life on earth must go on, so living things must reproduce to make more of their kind. Then third question, name some animals that give birth to young ones. Animals like cows, dogs, cats and rabbits are some animals that give birth to young ones. You can write any animal's name which they give directly birth to their young ones. I have given you some names of these animals. Describe the structure of an egg. For these questions answer, describe the structure of an egg, you need to draw the diagram and label its parts also. That is which I have shown you in the textbook also, it is there. Once again, you can open the page number and see the diagram. This diagram you have to draw. This is the break and open diagram, and the one which I drew, that is also correct. That also you can draw in this for this answer. Describe the structure of an egg. So if you draw the diagram and then it will be easy for you to write the answer. By seeing the diagram you can write it. An egg has a hard shell called the egg shell. that protect the growing baby bird called the embryo. Within the eggshell is the white of the egg called the albumen. The yellow yolk has food for the embryo. So this is the answer. Then fifth answer. What are the stages in the life cycle of butterfly? So you have to mention the life stages. The stages in the life cycle of butterfly are egg, caterpillar, pupa and adult butterfly. So for this question's answer also you need to draw the diagram of this butterfly. These are the life cycle stages of a butterfly. And then we'll go for sixth question's answer. What are mammals? Give some examples of mammals. Mammals are animals that give birth to their young ones and look after them till they are old enough to take care of themselves. They have hair on their bodies. The mother feeds the young ones with their own milk. Cows, dogs, lions, horses, elephants are some mammals. Remember the examples of these mammals also. This is also very important. Once again, I'll read out this question's answer. What are mammals? Give some examples of mammals. Mammals are animals that give birth to their young ones and look after them till they are old enough to take care of themselves. They have hair on their bodies. The mother feeds the young ones with her own milk. Examples are cows, dogs, lions, horses, elephants are some. Even cats also they give directly birth. Even the rat also they give directly birth to their young ones. Okay. Then can you open the page number? We'll go for the objective type. Open only multiple choice questions answer. Here page number 210. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar, maggot, cocoon. A. Caterpillar. The growing baby bird inside the egg is called the tadpole, embryo or pupa. Embryo is the correct answer. This animal lays thousands of eggs at a time. Lizard, hen, fish. So fish lays thousands of eggs at a time. Fourth one is the eggs of a hen hatch in 30 to 32 days. B 20 to 21 days. 15 to 18 days. Which one is correct? 20 to 21 days is the correct answer. B you can write. Fifth, snake lays eggs in holes in the ground, in trees, in water. A. A is the in holes in the ground. The white of an egg is called the fill in the blanks. Go for fill in the blanks. The white of an egg is called albumen. Shedding of skin by pupa is called molting. Animals that give birth to young ones directly are mammals. The young one of a frog is called a tadpole. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. So these are the fill in the blanks and go for name the young ones of the following. These are the young ones of the following: lion, cub, kangaroo, cow, calf, kangaroo, joy. Fourth one is horse, colt, elephant, calf, dog, puppy, hen, chick, cat, kitten, human beings, kids, frog, tadpole. Then write true or false. Humans are mammals. Right. The embryo hatches only when it is kept warm. Right. All animals lay eggs. All animals lay eggs. Wrong. Young ones resemble their parents. Right. When the pupa bursts open, a chick comes out. Wrong. So these are the objective type we have done it, but you need to read even for the fill in the blanks. Sometimes it may come from the middle of the lesson. That's why I always suggest you to read the lesson and by heart the question and answers along with the spellings. Diagrams, do the practice at home till you get. First you need to draw the diagram with the light color lines. Then if the shape is correct, then you can make it dark. First only making dark and then rubbing it, your paper will get spoiled. That's why you need first you take the shape of the diagram with the light lines and then you can make it dark. Now you can open the page number 25. The revision paper is there. That also you can solve by yourself. In the next video, next class, we'll do few more lessons revision. Thank you.